Roger, VELCO weather hazards update. Looking at some reoccurring snow shower activity causing reoccurring outages. Probably the best prospect or worst prospect for additional light snowfall. We're not talking about very much, anywhere from about 1 to 2 inches across the northern Champlain Valley, a dusting to about an inch east of the Greens, mostly north of Washington County into parts of the Northeast Kingdom today, and just a few flurries lingering across the spine of the Green Mountains. This morning we're looking at the upper level system situated just a little bit to our east. This is a good sign as it'll be taking a track out, and we have another area of low pressure at the surface that's working its way well off to the east. This is not going to be a factor for us. What we do have, though, is a wraparound of moisture, a little miniature deformation zone here. That's enhancing some of the snow showers and flurries across the northwest corner of the state. Temperatures are what they are, a little bit colder. That's good for better travel conditions. It's bad because it's locking in the encased snow and wet snow across all of our trees and just making for a difficult situation with reoccurring outages with just minutia. And this is very similar to the ice storm, what happened last year across the northern western portions of Vermont during December last year. Looking at the latest computer modeling, and what we see here at 8 o'clock, most of the light blue there, just some light snow shower flurry activity. It sort of bursts now and then, and it's really not a tremendous amount. By 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, you can see it's more centered on the northern part of the Champlain Valley. Looks like it eases out a little bit as we get into the afternoon. By 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, mainly Champlain Valley, light flurries elsewhere. And then we're looking at the light snow shower and flurry activity to sort of hang in that particular area, but also affect some parts of the Northeast Kingdom. We can see that here locally. But generally, south of the very Montpelier area, it doesn't look like we're going to have any additional loading, and that's all good news there. And this is accrued snowfall through about 8 o'clock, or starting at 8 o'clock this morning, and then through about 5 o'clock. You can see the snow accrual is not going to be very much. We're talking really under a half inch. The darker gray, Europe around and half inch to an inch. And it looks like right near the Canadian border, Enosburg, up in that general area of northern Franklin County, nestled up against JP country. Does look like we're going to see, at least through about 5 o'clock, a little bit more snow in this neck of the woods. A little bit of flurry activity coming down the spine of the Green Mountains and along the western slopes, and then the adjacent highlands of the Northeast Kingdom. But again, we're talking about very minimal amounts. As you can see right here, the less than really a tenth of an inch, and then up to 1 inch here. So we're not looking at very much, 1 to 2 inches generally in this particular area here. Hopefully, this will not cause additional outages with the extra loaded of the trees. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights Consulting.